Good evening to you. A very cold start this morning. Some areas were down to the single digits, even above and below zero, but we've improved, and it is a part of a warming trend that we've been tracking after we got rid of the snow yesterday. And it's still on the ground in many locations, especially up north, but the look ahead is for some much milder weather to be moving in. There's a look from our Spring Creek Golf Course Seneca cam. Sunny, but definitely a cold day out there. Currently 32 degrees in Topeka. We started at 0 in the capital city. We've made a nice climb into the low 30s with a south wind now at around 10 miles per hour. Looking at temperatures around the region, we still have upper 20s from Seneca to Hiawatha to Lawrence right now, and middle 30s have moved into our southwestern and western communities. Concordia, Clay Center, Junction City and Manhattan all checking in right now at 36 degrees with a south and even southwesterly wind about 10 to 15 miles per hour. And that breeze will be around for the next couple of days. And those south and southwesterly winds do a good job of warming us up, pulling in some warmth that is developing over the west. Satellite shows just a few passing clouds through the area. What we're tracking is a big kind of a change in the weather pattern. A big dome of warmth is forming over the southwestern United States, many areas in the 70s and 80s out in the southwest today. Some of that will be expanding northeastward, giving us some pleasant weather. So we've got another chilly night ahead of us for tonight. But then as we head into the day tomorrow, breezy and mild weather. It's not going to be a real strong wind, but just a stirring of the air and a nice, really nice afternoon on your Friday. And will be even warmer for the weekend, especially on Saturday. Nice warm weather moving in. Even if you want to get a chance to maybe get a little head start on that nice weekend ahead of us, tomorrow afternoon should be a decent day, maybe for a round of golf even. Sunny and 53 at noon, 62 in the afternoon. You may want to wait, though, because it will be a chilly start to the morning. Even a 9 a.m. temperature will still be around 30, but improvements on the way. There's kind of a look at the overall weather trend, temperature-wise. Notice this warmth on Friday expanding. By Saturday, even farther to the east, including all of the viewing area for some warmer conditions on Saturday. Suppresses south just a little bit on Sunday. And then Monday we may fall back a little bit, some cooler air settling in if you see these greens and blues showing up. And we try to warm up on Tuesday, but watch what happens Wednesday and more so into Thursday. Colder air settles back in. You know, it can't last forever, but at least we get a pretty good stretch of some warm weather ahead of us. For the weekend, again, we are tracking a big warm up this weekend. Look at that, 70 on Saturday, 66 on Sunday. Just a gorgeous couple of days out ahead of us, and really starts in tomorrow. Breezy, 62. Cool back into the 50s on Monday. Again, we try to warm up on Tuesday. Another clipper system comes our way, not bringing snow this time, but a 20% chance of maybe a few light rain showers, as a high on Wednesday should be around 49. But we will again settle into some colder air with temperatures into the upper 30s on Thursday. There's a photo out of Facebook from one of our followers, Jansen Leach in Topeka. You can see some of the geese out on some frozen water there. And also a beautiful view of this morning's sunrise on a very cold start to the day in Scranton from Darlene Bogren.